In this video, we are going to learn how to change root password for MySQL and PHPMyAdmin, and this will be our localhost PHPMyAdmin dashboard. And inside this, on top, you can see user accounts. Okay, if you are not having user accounts, you will be having privileges option. Just click on that, and here you will be having this root. Okay, 3 times I am having this root. Just click on this first root, edit privileges. Once you click on this, here you will be having option to change password. Just click on this, and here you can give the password whatever you want. So here inside this, I'm just going to write the password sample123, and here I'm writing sample123. Okay, I'll just click on go. Okay, now you can see here I'm having the password for root was changed successfully. Again, I'll just come back, and here for this second root, I'm just going to click on edit privileges. In the same way, whatever password I have given there, I just have to write the same password here, sample123, sample123. I'll just click on go. Again, you can see this password has been set. Again, I'll just come back. I'll just click on this third root, and here I'm just going to click on edit privileges. Again, change password, and here I'll be writing sample123, and here also I'm just going to write sample123. I'll just click on go. Okay, I have changed the password. Wherever you see the root, you just have to change the password there. Okay, now I have changed the password. Now you can see, okay, now here I got this error. Now this will not connect to my PHPMyAdmin because I have changed the password. Now what you have to do is you just have to go wherever you have installed XAMPP. Just come to that directory, open that folder, XAMPP folder. Now inside this, I'm just going to search for one file, config.inc. I'll just search for this one. Now once I search for this config.inc, here I'll be getting this option. I just have to open this file. I'll just right click on this and open with notepad. Okay, I just want to open this with notepad. Okay, now this file has been opened. Now here you will see her password. Okay, by default, if you have not changed, you will be having empty password here. I have previously changed my password, so here I am having this one. Now here I am just going to remove, and here I will be writing sample123. Okay, whatever password I have given there, I just have to give the same password here. I'll just save this one. I'll close this. Now here I am just going to come. I'll refresh this one. Okay, now you can see here it is going to give me the access, and here I will be having this one. Now whenever I want to connect to the database, I have to use sample123 as my password. Okay, this is how we are going to change the password, and this is the important thing. You should always change. Whenever you change in this file, you have to change the password. Only then you will be able to access the PHPMyAdmin dashboard, or else you will be getting access denied and you will not be able to do any connection to the database. Okay, this is how we are going to change the root password.